Exercise 25. A park ranger asked a random sample of visitors how many miles they walked during their visit. Based on the responses, the estimated mean was found to be 3.2 miles with an associated margin of error of 0.4 miles. So they said 3.2 with a margin of error of 0.4. Remember, you should always keep in mind that the margin of error is that plus minus something. So here it's equal to 0.4. So if we add 0.4 to 3.2, we would go up until 3.6. And if we take out 0.4, we will go up to 2.8. Which of the following is the best conclusion from this data? It is likely that all visitors walked between 2.8 and 3.6 miles. It is likely that most visitors walked exactly 3.2 miles. This is certainly wrong. It is not possible that any visitor walked less than 2 miles. Is the best conclusion? Yes, it is plausible that the mean distance walked for all visitors is between 2.8 and 3.6. They were asked about the mean, was found to be 3.2. The mean distance is between 2.8 and 3.6, so it has to be D.